In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how the maintenance optimizer works these days, DSWP. So once you select the overview you want, create a new maintenance optimizer transaction. And now you'll be flicked to the new WebDimpro UI. So in here, it'll lay you out step by step, pick out the product version that you're interested in. In my case, Solution Manager Enhancement Pack 1. Once I press continue, I'll get to choose the systems. I have two systems for Solution Manager at my place. I'll pick the Sandpit Solution Manager. I take continue. And now we have two chances here. I either calculate the file automatically, or I get Maintenance Optimizer to do it. Otherwise I can pick the files one at a time. I'll take the easy way out. And once I wait for that, here we go. So we're going to do, you either do maintenance or an upgrade, so I'm going to take maintenance in this case. And the target stack, so we're going to go from support pack stack 22 in my case to 23. If you press the stack details, the maintenance optimizer will actually tell you what forms part of your stack. So it'll break it down by usage type and by support pack numbers. So we wait for that. So you can see it's broken down in ABAP, Java, BI, etc. If I have a look at the Java stack, you can see we're going to SP6 of the Java stack. This thing's going to bring along Wiley Intrascope, BI content. We have a look at the Wiley. So we've got an Enterprise Manager upgrade here to SP1. We can have a look at if there's any new agents coming along for the ride. So Maintenance Optimizer knows what to bring with it. So if we get that out of the way, and we press continue. Maybe if I show you the systems first. So if I have a look at the current level of my system, if I press my Sandpit Solution Manager, it'll tell me what levels I'm currently at. So it tells me the host, and if you scroll down, it'll tell you that I'm on 22. Mostly, I've got a couple of things patched beyond 22, solution tools and a couple of other bits and pieces. The other thing I can show you is the logs. So the MOPZ will show you a bunch of logs as you go through. If you're missing an LSS node, the workflow will tell you. The documentation, if you want some generic documentation on enhancement packs or upgrade processes, go for it. But generally we tick the target stack, hit continue, and we wait. So this part I've sped up. This will take quite a time to do. Here it'll tell you if it's going to create something new. It'll be green. Something blue was just going to upgrade it or change it. Now you get to choose your operating system and database. So in my case I'm going for the 64-bit AIX. I'll take my database, independent, my Oracle files and the IGS. I scroll down, if there's anything more I want, probably not. I hit continue. We wait. So now we can have a look at any add-ins or any stack-dependent add-ins that I have. So the DMIS is for my TDMS, my Test Data Migration Services. So it's going to take the upgrades along as part of the plugins. You can exclude some stuff or include some additional stuff as part of your downloads in your download basket. So in this case, I'm going to drop down. In this case, you can't not select the non-ABAP stuff, but the ABAP stuff you get a choice. So in my case, I'm just going to take the whole lot. I'm trusting the Maintenance Optimizer to know. If I've got some site-specific Java patches that I want to roll in, I have an opportunity as well. Nothing for me here, so I'll cancel out of this one. And if I take continue, and I wait for the software tool, this one takes a real long time, but you can back out of the transaction and come back, and it'll pick up from where it left off. So all of the stuff has been all this stuff is going to be ported into my download basket. This will go away and talk to the service marketplace. If you're missing anything, it'll tell you at the top of the transaction. So here you can have a look at the log to see if there's anything untoward. Essentially, this thing has built the XML file for both the Java and the ABAP, and it's pushed a bunch of stuff into the download basket. I'll show you what's in the download basket now. So the download basket is primed and ready for download. There are the elements. I can download them one at a time. I just fire up the download basket, bring them in, FTP them to the user SAP trans, and then start doing my maintenance as per normal. You can have a look at the stack.xml files yourself. So you can download these and cruise through them. Otherwise, you press continue and off you go.